we're just putting out videos today. Okay, we're just filming. The video I wanted to do today is a hair tutorial, and it is basically how to install and make them look pretty real, your hair extensions. These are clip-ins, but it's also a halo. It's not a full halo. Like I said, it does have clip-ins to it. I will show that to you. So for this, you do need a wet brush. This is the brand wet brush. You need a comb, whether it's a wide tooth comb, but you do need a wide tooth comb, period. But so you need a comb. And then you're also gonna need some sort of teasing brush, which this is just a bristle brush. It's from 2 seconds. This is from Conair. So this is just a really thick bristled boar brush, kind of. Anyways, okay, so my extensions. So these are the extensions. So this is more of like it's like a fishing string, kind of what they call it, but it's very stretchy. It is installed, or it's tied up to this side here. On the inside of it, this is your weft that you have, and I have 3 clips. So they just clip like that, like old school. And then there's one in the center here. So you could either brush it before or after. So the place that I go to is called Christine's Wigs. It's in Corpus Christi, Texas. The guy is excellent. I've done extensions before. I used to do a lot of tape and extensions, but I haven't done those in quite some time. Well, actually, I'm lying. I had them at the beginning of this year. The first time was in 2018. And I think they last as long as you take care of them. I think I did tape-ins, and then I did sew-ins, and the sew-ins I messed up because they were blonde. My hair was really blonde at the time, and I was trying to do a purple shampoo on my hair, and because the other hair was different, it like took to it, like it was very porous, so it just kind of sucked it all up. So it changed the color. It just looked like it looked messed up. Anyways, so this one is a really close match to what I have currently in my hair. And so I will show you. We'll get started. You also need a clip. So like an alligator clip like this, kind of. So I washed my hair. I just blow dried it. I didn't straighten it or anything like that. So pretty much just gonna comb this through real quick. So I'm gonna kind of start off like here, if you could see that, and I'm just gonna go right behind my ear, and I'm gonna pull that forward, kind of move that back a bit. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna clip it away. Same thing on this side. Get this right behind my ear. Pull this forward. I'm gonna clip it away. And then I pretty much just grab it to about right here. Just a little bit above my ear. Kind of, I actually think that's probably a little bit too much, but as you can see, like so. And I'm going to just clip this like that. Then I'm gonna get hairspray. You can probably just use any hairspray. This is, I think this one's a little bit pricey, but anyways, any hairspray like this will work. So what I'm gonna do is just spray right at the line, right at the split of my hair pretty much. What this is gonna do is just kind of make it tacky, because to install them, we want the clips to really kind of grip onto something instead of your hair just being flat like this. So this is where this brush comes into play. So I pull it out, and then I'm just gonna tease the hair up like that. I'm gonna tease it all the way around, like so. Oh, and the brand that I got of my hair extensions, they are Lord and Cliff, I believe. So I'm gonna keep the clips closed when I install them. And I'm gonna put the fishing wire, the little halo part, right at the part. And then I'm gonna just set it down. So I'm gonna open up the back one. You can start either one, and I don't have like a particular one, but I just put it to the back part. I open it up and then I close it. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna open up the clip and then stick it right where I teased my hair. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna open it up, push it down into my teased hair, and it should feel really snug. While my hair is still split, I'm gonna use my brush and I'm just going to try not to pull it too hard. So you can brush before if you want, but you can hold your hair however you want to do it. So same thing on this side. I'm gonna comb through. A couple of different options if you really want the blend to be very seamless, to look very natural. You could also cut your hair. So I'm a cosmetologist. I'm a student currently, but I could have easily probably put layers in it, but I don't think it's that bad. And I don't wear my extensions all the time, so it's kind of okay. So now, because we have a wet brush, it doesn't pull. So these are also very good to use if you have tape and extensions or any extensions, because it's not going to yank at them if like you were to have a regular brush. So, okay. So I'm going to split my hair down the middle again. And I'm going to get the same hairspray. And I'm going to spray it all through my hair. And I'm going to get the brush again and just comb it through. Like that. Okay. And then I'm going to split my hair in half. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to use my alligator clip. And I'm just going to clip my hair up. So the curling iron that I'm going to use, I don't know what size it is, but it's pretty large. It's from Hot Tools. Okay. So I'm going to get just, not too heavy of a section. So I'm going to go and I'm going to wrap under. This I don't explain very well because I just don't. I'm going to try to do it slow, but it's hot, so I don't want to keep it on my hair too long. But basically, I start with it open. Kind of bring it down, and then curl in. And I'm just opening the clamp as I'm bringing it down and coming back up to curl it. So the idea with this is to kind of create those waves in your hair, but also you're bringing your natural hair in and then also the extension. So it's kind of like, that's a good angle for my neck, right? Good old double chin. Same thing. This really doesn't take very long at all. So I guess that's kind of like, I love the clip-ins because if I don't want to wear them, I don't have to. So that's all curled, as you can see. It's all curled. We're gonna leave it alone. I'm not gonna do anything with it yet. I'm gonna bring this down. Same thing. I'm gonna comb this, I'm gonna curl this away from my face My bangs are very broken. Don't judge. So I'm gonna curl them. I'm gonna leave them like that. I know they look crazy. Okay. Then I'm gonna start getting these longer pieces and do the same thing I did, curling them. So if I have it here, I could bring it under and bring it back up. It kind of creates more of the curl and it like really kind of stays. So the idea with keeping your curl, like if you want to, if you have shorter hair, like say you don't have the extensions and you really want the curl to stay, this is what you can do. Before you drop it completely, just kind of drop it into your hand a bit and then pick it back up and let it cool in your hand. And it's gonna basically keep your curl a little bit higher. Whereas if I'm just dropping it, it's gonna cool as the weight is kind of bringing it down. So, okay. Close that. Okay, so now all of that is curled. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip my bangs back because I don't want them, like again, they're broken, so they gotta kind of chill out for a little bit. So I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb, and I think I just got this from Walmart. So you don't have to like go to Sally's or anything like that. And I just basically comb my hair through, and then my hair will just kind of naturally like go into the curl itself. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. You probably don't need to watch this part because it's the same crap. So, sorry, I need water. I don't remember if I put hairspray. Yeah, oh well. I don't think I did. Okay, again, just kind of combing this through. And then I'm gonna split it. Clipping this up and away. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to record this because I need to move to a closer mirror. So we're just gonna skip this part. I think these extensions, by the way, I think they're like 18 or 20 inches. So like I said, if I were to cut them and put layers in them to make them a little bit more kind of blended together, they'd make them, it'd appear a lot shorter than it being long. Okay, all right, so this other side is done. So I'm gonna just kind of clip this back. And then, like, you could either use your comb or just run your fingers through. Either one, gonna work. So, the back, it's all done. So, like I said, it's pretty, the color's just like perfect. I love it. He's just great. Don't know him personally, but thank you, sir. It's very nice. But yeah, so once this is still not like, it's still kind of like up. I'm just trying to get it to like chill out for a little bit. So I'm gonna leave that clipped just while I get dressed and finish the whole thing. But this is it. This is how to install your clip-in extensions / your halo. Hopefully it worked out. So that's my tutorial for today. Any questions, let me know.